Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this eufy security video doorbell by Anker. Some of the key features: free, no monthly fees, 2K HD resolution with a Sony sensor, and the professional grade lens allows you to have a very clear video and see who it is into your front door. Inside we're gonna find out some manuals. We value your privacy as much as you do. Great. Some information from this card. 24/7 monitoring by eufy security. Place the sticker to let visitor know your property is monitored by eufy security. And here we've got this sticker. It will help you to install the mounting bracket for the video doorbell. Quick start guide. Everything that you need to know is here, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Oh, and there is a lovely doorbell. Nice. I like it. Feels very durable, feels very nice to my hand. Something premium. Great. Let's see what we have at the box. What accessories. Some screws for mounting, you can see. Extensions, wires and wire nuts. Type A to micro USB for charging this video doorbell. And it is about 1 meter the cable. Oh, nice. A huge pin. I think this is a magnetic. Oh yeah, it is a magnetic. Nice. And of course we've got the mounting bracket and the 15 degrees mounting wedge if you want to have a different angle view. Now let's see one by one. Add the device, remove the film before use. Okay, my pleasure. At the front here we've got the motion sensor, the microphone, this tiny hole. We've got the camera lens around, this huge camera lens. The ambient light sensor, the LED ring around, the doorbell button, and the speaker is here. Because you want microphone and speaker to have the two audio communication. Now at the back, here we've got the micro USB charging port, and here we can see some specs. Input 8 volt to 24 volts, 0.2 amps. That's why we've got these extensions, wires and wire nuts. We can connect it here to the power terminals with the existing doorbell wires. And input with a micro USB, we need 5 volts, 2 amps. And of course here we've got the sync reset button. There it is. And down here we've got the detaching mechanism. That's why we need this huge pin, because if we are going to install it at the base, install that with the 2 screws. You can see this is the side up, at the wall, wood, wherever is possible for you. Take the doorbell. You can see you can slide it here, press and it will lock. Then take this huge metallic magnetic pin, just press it here at the base and it will unlock. That is very easy. And that's why we've got this beautiful pin with the eufy logo, the E. Great, all that. I think it's time to connect it to my home base too. Of course, it doesn't come with this video doorbell. You need to buy it separately. I already have a home base too. You can check, by the way, and my other 2 videos that I made for the eufy Cam Pro 2 and the eufy security alarm kit. You can find it down below in the descriptions. Now for connection, download the eufy security app, register, make an account, add a device, choose the device you want to add, battery doorbell, okay, and then you can scan the QR code at the back and then choose your home base.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep.
Great. Next.
Ready to add device. Device was added successfully.
iPhone doorbell. found doorbell.
This is Alexa. Good for you, Alexa. Next. The battery doorbell comes with 80% or less battery for safe transportation. Fully charge it before using. Okay, got it. Is there a traditional wire doorbell button at your front door which voltage is 8 to 24 volts AC? No. Continue to detailed instructions. Does your door face a street? No. Shorter than or equal to 10 feet 3 meters. Longer than 10 meters. Mount the doorbell next to your front door. Make it field of view. See the whole process of visitor coming towards to your door. Next. Check live view, etc, etc. Okay, we will do that. Nice and great instructions. And finish. Skip. And there is the doorbell. Okay, log in. You can see the signal strength and the data transfer. You can start recording, stop, and save it to the phone album of your smartphone. Take a photo and again save it to the phone album. And by pressing the call button, you can start the two-way communication.
Testing 1, 2, 3, testing. Hello guys again, how are you? Now you can hear my voice through the speaker of this video doorbell. And I think it sounds very good, it sounds very clear. Good job. Definitely you will have a clear communication.
And now I'm speaking through the microphone of this video doorbell, and I think my voices sound very clear. Definitely we will have a clear communication with each other. Thumbs up, great job. And from here you can choose the voice response.
Excuse me, can I help you?
That's nice.
Please leave it at the door. We will be right there.
And again, settings. You can add quick response. Let's say, okay, tech, the name, continue. Hold to record no more than 10 seconds and reset. Hello guys, my name is TechGuru Andrew and I am a YouTuber. Hello to my Tech Vision Studio. Uploading. And you can edit, save or delete. Let's go back and choose the tech. Hello guys, my name is TechGuru Andrew and I am a YouTuber. Hello to my Tech Vision Studio. You can zoom, unzoom, full screen. Now let's go back, settings. You can change the name, of course. Camera on, off, disable stream live footage and monitor outdoor activity without impacting team alerts. You will turn off your camera. Status LED. Turn off LED for detecting motion. No. You can turn off on the auto night vision. Logo watermark. The eufy security logo will not be disabled on each video clip. Let's leave it on. Motion detection. Turn on motion detection. Detection type for human only, all motions. Let's leave it on human only. Sensitivity. You can choose the sensitivity from low 1 to high 5. Active zone. Only set a motion zone if you are using a human upper body or all motion sensitivity levels. And here you can add which zone you want to have alerts. Choose. You can edit again and back. Power Manager, detection statistics. You can see the current battery charge, usage date, total detected events, record and save events, false event filtered by the AI. Okay. Select the working mode for this doorbell, optimal battery life, balanced surveillance, this is the beta mode, optimal surveillance and customize recording. Here you can customize the clip length from 5 seconds to 120 seconds, the retrigger interval from 2 seconds to 60 seconds, and clip early if motion stops. Turn on or off. As battery life, it will decrease drastically on this mode. Let's go back. Video quality. You can choose WDR enable Enable if you can barely see approaching person's face to the backlit. Do not enable if it is bright and clear enough. Streaming quality, you can choose from auto, low, medium, high. Let's put it on high. Video encoding format, high compression video quality or low compression quality. Let's leave it on high. And here you can choose the streaming to Alexa, Google Smart Display, select the suitable mode, smartphone first or smart display first. Of course, you need to have the devices that is compatible with this. Let's go back. Audio settings, audio recording, enable audio recording when recording clips, doorbell audio volume, two-way talk quick voice response, doorbell ringtone volume, adjust and that. What is more suitable for you? Notification, doorbell ring, motion detect. When opening the motion detect notification, jump to the related history event, live view, you can choose. Content extensions of notification when motion detects, you can choose most efficiency, include thumbnail or full effect. Motion alerts. Nice, many tones and rings. Find the best for you. Let's go back. Indoor theme, existing doorbell theme connecting to your existing doorbell. What type of original theme do you have? Is the mechanical. Next. If the indoor theme is on and connected to your existing doorbell, it will ring when your doorbell button is pressed. Okay, well, I don't need that. Let's go back. eufy doorbell theme, you can plug in a USB dongle to your home base to connect an eufy doorbell theme. Okay, that's nice. Home base as a theme. Home base ringtone volume, you can choose. Home base alert will sound when doorbell is pushed. Phone notification will not be affected. Turn on or off. Alexa as a theme. That's nice. You can choose from Alexa and hear the sound there. There is an instruction how to do that. Let's go back. Quick response. I already done that. Mounting guide. I have shown you that at the start. Share the device to your family members or friends. Add, admin or guest. Of course, they need to register, make an account. And about the device. And you can remove the device. Nice, many options, many settings in here. I like when a product has many options to choose and adjust to your needs. That is very good. Thumbs up, eufy. Let's go back. And now I am approaching to the video doorbell. Motion detection. And you can see the ring is flashing. And now it's recording. I have adjusted, customized adjustments for 30 seconds to record the video. Hello guys! I can see the video quality is very good. Perfect. Very clear. You can see everything very clear. And the ring, it stops. And you can go to the events and there is the video. You can play the video, download, share, donate and delete. And now I have disabled the motion detection, approaching to the doorbell, press it, rings from the home base too. I have the notification to my smartphone, press, and we've got a live view who is in the door. And here you can see me for 7 seconds to the event. And you can see of course the day and the time. Okay, now let's see how it looks at the night. Okay, now I'm going to press the doorbell. Well, here I am and at the night, and I think the video quality looks great. I can see the other person very well. Nice. And when I log out from my video doorbell, the infrared lights will turn off. Now I have activated again the motion detection. I am approaching to the doorbell. Infrared light you can see. The ring and the notification to my smartphone. Hello, tap to view. Great, I can see there's a great video quality. no problem, everything looks great. You can see the other person, and at the night, thumbs up. And you can see here at the event, when I press the doorbell, only 7 seconds it is the recording, and 30 seconds with the motion detection. Of course, I have made the adjustments from Power Manager, customize recording, and here you can see 31 seconds a clip and the retrigger interval 2 seconds. And with a night vision test, we are in the end of this video. I like this product. It has a great resolution, response and notification to my smartphone are very fast, instantly. You have many options to adjust from your smartphone. Find the best for you and work with this video doorbell. Connect with other products with a home base too. You can check down below to the description. You can find more products from eufy. Click the link and you can find more information and for this video doorbell where you can buy it. They are doing a great products and I'm sure you will find something that is suitable for you. You have seen the test. It was a long video and until now I'm using this video doorbell for 3 days and I don't have any problems. It is working perfectly. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.